Hello and welcome back to Coca English, the place where we take one word, just one, and open a whole world of meaning with it. I'm your host, Layla.
And I'm Sam. It's so good to have you here with us. On this channel, we believe that learning English can be simple, fun, and, well, not like a difficult job.
Exactly, Sam. We take it one easy step at a time, one single word per podcast. So, if you are new here, please click that subscribe button and the little bell. That way, you never miss a new word.
And if you are one of our regular listeners, welcome back. We are so happy to see you again. So, Layla, are you ready for today's word?
I am ready, Sam. But first, let me tell you a little story. This morning, I really wanted a coffee. So I took some coffee beans, put them in a little container, pressed a button, and 2 minutes later, I had a hot, delicious coffee.
Oh, I know what you used. You used a coffee thing. A coffee maker? A coffee helper?
Yes, it is a coffee maker, but we have a more general word for it. It's a machine. That's our word for today, everyone. Machine.
Oh, of course. Machine. It's a wonderful word. So let's start with the sound. Everyone listen carefully. Machine. Ma-sheen. The stress is on the second part. Sheen. Machine.
Beautiful. Now, what is a machine? A machine is a thing with parts that work together to do a job. Often, machines use electricity or power to work. They help us do things faster or more easily.
That's a perfect explanation. Think about Layla's coffee maker. It has many parts inside. It has a part for water, a part for heat, a part for the coffee. All these parts work together to make 1 cup of coffee. It is a machine.
And a coffee maker is just one example. Machines are everywhere in our lives. Let's think about our homes. What machines do we have at home, Sam?
Oh, so many. In the kitchen, we have a washing machine. We put dirty clothes inside, add soap, and the machine washes them.
It is so much easier than washing clothes by hand.
Yes, and in the same room, we often have a drying machine. It uses hot air to dry the clothes after they are washed.
Then, in the kitchen, we have a dishwasher. This machine washes plates, cups, and forks. Again, it saves so much time.
What about a microwave? It's a small machine that heats food very quickly. Or a toaster? You put bread in and it makes toast. These are all small, helpful machines.
Now, let's go outside the home. What big machines do we see in the city?
Well, cars. A car is a big machine that takes us from one place to another. Buses and trucks are also big machines.
And when we want to buy a drink, we often use a vending machine. You put money in the machine, press a button for a soda or water, and the machine gives it to you. It's like a small shop that is also a machine.
That's a great way to describe it, Layla. Now, what about when we are at work? In an office, there is often a copy machine. You put a paper in the machine, press a button, and it makes a copy of that paper.
And of course, we cannot forget the most important machine for this podcast, the computer. You are probably watching this on a computer or a phone right now. A computer is a very smart machine that can do many, many things.
It really is. So, as you can hear, the word machine is for big things and small things. A big machine is a plane that flies in the sky. A small machine is a watch on your wrist.
Now, let's talk about how to use this word in a sentence. The word machine is a noun, a thing. So, we often use it with verbs like use, start, or stop.
For example, I use the washing machine every Saturday.
Or, please start the coffee machine. I need coffee.
Or, the copy machine is very loud. Can you stop it?
That is a big problem, Sam.
It really is.
So everyone, we have talked a lot about the word machine. We learned that it is a thing with parts that work together to do a job. We find machines in our homes, like washing machines, in our cities, like cars, and in our offices, like computers.
It's a very useful and common word. Now it's your turn. We want you to practice.
Yes, in the comments below this video, we want you to write a sentence. Write one sentence about a machine. What machine do you like? What machine do you use every day? Maybe you can say, I use a machine every day. Or, my favorite machine is the machine.
It can be any machine. A sewing machine, a taxi machine. Well, we say taxi, but it is a machine. Or a phone. Just try to use the word. We read all your comments, and we love to see you practice. It helps you remember the word.
So to finish, Sam, can you tell us one machine you cannot live without?
That's easy. The coffee machine. I need my morning coffee.
I agree. For me, it's my phone. It's a small machine, but it has my whole life in it.
Thank you so much for listening today. You are a wonderful audience.
Yes, thank you. Don't forget to write your sentence in the comments using the word machine. And if you enjoyed this podcast, please share it with a friend who is also learning English.
Until next time, keep learning one word at a time. Goodbye.
Goodbye.